Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Back to back three recruitment notifications have been published by Bharat Electronics Limited, and this is the fourth one as you can see here on the screen. And if you'd like to watch the other videos regarding the engineering recruitment notification by Bharat Electronics, link is available in the description box, as well as you can follow our playlist where a folder is there named as engineering. You can go to that folder for all the new engineering recruitment notifications. So friends, coming back to the analysis of this recruitment notification, as you can see here on the screen, the recruitment notification has been released on 16th September 2020 for various posts of engineers. If you look at the various category of engineers, for the project engineer code 1, 7 number of vacancies are there for electronics, 4 for mechanical, and 3 for computer science. And friends, educational qualifications are BE or BTech in electronics, mechanical, computer, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, etc. engineering. So friends, upper age limitation is 28 years for unreserved categories. Minimum post qualification experience 2 years is required, and consolidated monthly remuneration would be provided. These are the contractual posts. So for the first year you will be paid rupees 35,000, followed by 40,000 in the second year, 45,000 in the third year, and 50,000 in the fourth year onwards. So friends, for this post, place of posting will be in Kochi. Coming to the next post, friends, that is about the post and upper age limitations, as I already have told. So other informations, like if you belong to SC ST, then you will be 5 years age relaxation is permissible. For person with disabilities 10 years, and for other backward classes 3 years age relaxation is permissible as per government norms. So friends, other information, sir, that's what I would like to give you. Like project engineer, I have already mentioned about the pay or perks or the salaries. And friends, educational qualification, I already have mentioned that bachelor's degree in the respective engineering branch. And if you would like to look at the various essential qualification and desirable qualification, each and every information, if you would like to collect in detail, you can download the PDF from the link which is available in the description box. As well as friends, if you would like to download the same from our Telegram channel, please join our Telegram channel, or if you are already there in our Telegram channel, this PDF copy will be available in the due course, so you can download the same from there also. So friends, what is the procedure of application? So friends, it is said that interested candidates meeting all criteria mentioned above should submit the application form in the format appended to this advertisement. I will show you the application form that you have to duly fill, and you have to send the application form to a particular address. The address is available in the description box also. So the form is already attached with the video. You can go to the description box of this video itself, where a link is available. By following the link, you can download the officially published notification. And friends, I would like to inform you that an application fee of rupees 500 you have to provide. If you belong to the category SC, ST or person with disabilities, then no application fee is required. So friends, after filling up the application form, you have to send the form through a post. It is not mentioned the speed post or ordinary post. You have to send it to Senior Deputy General Manager, Naval System SBU, Bharat Electronics Limited, Jalahalli Post, Bangalore 530016, Karnataka, on or before 5th October 2020. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you have any queries regarding this recruitment notification, please let us know by commenting below in the comment box. And if you would like to get this kind of recruitment notification updates every day, then please subscribe to this channel, and never forget to press the all notification bell icon to never miss any further updates. Thank you.